A forest in Germany bursting with the vitality of the timber industry. The HSM 904F harvester, with a power output of 200 to 250 horsepower and impressive dual grip heads. Can pull not just one, but up to 3 large logs from dense woods. The cat excavator is often praised as a steel beast. It resembles a magnificent steel monster. This machine is extremely durable and designed to tackle the toughest jobs. Its powerful, long arm gracefully cuts down large trees with ease. Can you guess how many US dollars it costs to own one? It's incredible to see the lumberjacks tackling this challenge head-on. With their skill and speed, I bet they'll bring down the rest before nightfall. Isn't it awe-inspiring to witness nature's resilience and the human spirit working together? The Dahlen Vedmasken 2054 log splitter takes firewood cutting to the next level. Designed to handle logs with large diameters, its sharp saw blade works tirelessly, much like a woodpecker that never stops. And for just $5,500, you can own it. With tracks that grip the earth and a diesel engine that roars with power, the Rotny F20D takes on the challenge of steep inclines, transporting tons of timber effortlessly. A true legend in the world of heavy timber transport. Seeing the Morbark 50/48X in action takes me back to the early days of forestry, when powerful machines first began transforming the industry. Its 894.8 kilowatt engine is a modern marvel, but it carries the same spirit of innovation that's been driving progress for decades. old yet sturdy engine of the Scania 142 V8 roars like a mighty lion, while the enormous logs behind it spin and sway as if dancing down the road. A modern production line is operated by an advanced automation system and optimized processes. Here we craft beautiful wooden products, from window frames to flooring and paneling. All serving a vast market. The morning bustle at the coastal timber port in New Zealand is truly vibrant. Massive forklifts and excavators are as busy as a colony of ants, lifting and moving logs with precision. It's absolutely captivating. Oh, this is just awesome. You hear that engine roar, and you already know something cool's about to happen. Then it glides by, and whoosh! All that's left are these smooth little wood shavings. Oh my goodness! The huge tree is about to fall. Boom! I can't believe he got out just in time. The Ecolog 590D is like a tank rolling through the forest, weighing up to 20,000 pounds. With its advanced Log Max 7000 cutting head, it feels like it's indulging in a wood feast. This machine is a testament to the ingenuity of modern engineering. Would you like to try sitting in its cab? Oh, the sound of the chainsaw is so soothing. Just look at how quickly it cuts through the wood. In just a few minutes, that tree has fallen, crashing down with a loud thud. And here comes the crane, ready to lift the heavy log out of the dense forest. The CNC technology impresses everyone with its ability to create stunning floral designs with remarkable accuracy. Each petal and leaf emerges flawlessly, transforming ordinary wood into extraordinary art. The stump removal machine is equipped with a rather unique and eye-catching stump removal bucket, but its performance is outstanding. It's amazing to see it quickly uproot large stumps, all while maintaining high precision during operation. The grinding head skillfully cuts down a tall tree, showcasing a remarkable combination of engineering and nature. The tree trunk is shredded beneath the grinding head, creating mulch that enriches the soil for the upcoming forestry seeds. In the forests of southern France under relentless rain, the powerful Valmet 941 is harvesting timber with unwavering precision. It's a symphony of strength and skill against the forces of nature. Wow, what do we have here? A decades-old tree stump, and the grinder is hard at work, turning it into tiny wood chips. The sheer power of this machine is breathtaking, shredding through years of nature in mere minutes.